Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll talk about all these side hustles, freelancing gigs, possibly careers you can choose in 2024 and give you things that are realistic. No matter who you are, you should be able to do these things as a side hustle, as a freelancing gig, or as a potential career. So, here is how I have prepared this list. I have five things to mention from one to five, one being the easiest thing that you can do, that is the least realistic to work, all the way to number five, which is the most realistic but would also need a lot of effort from your side. So that way, by the end of this video, you'll have a range of options that you can choose from. So the first thing on the list is beta reading or beta reading, whichever way you decide to call it. Beta reading is basically when a person writes a book. Let's say I write a book. Before I publish it, I need to make sure that my book is good. Beta readers basically read a book and tell the author if the book is good or not. So to do this, all you need to do is have a habit of reading and possibly reading fast, because they need feedback within a certain time frame, especially if they're paying you for it. So if you're someone who likes reading, you read a lot of books on a daily basis as a habit, this is something that is perfect for you. You can go on Fiverr, for example, and look for beta reading, and you will see a lot of gigs people are doing where they get paid from $5, that is about 300 400 rupees, all the way up to 2000 rupees, 5000 rupees, keeps going up from there depending on how good your services are and how much of an experience you have as a beta reader. There is a lot of need for beta readers in the market, and if you are able to monetize it, you will be able to have a successful side hustle in 2024. The second thing on the list is do this: start a YouTube channel. See in your life what you can turn into content. There are two ways mainly to create content. One is to create, one is to document. Create is this: I'm creating a video out of an idea. Document is to do something. For example, I'm planning on making this video that I've made a thumbnail for when I reach 1000 subscribers. So that will be a document video, because I'm documenting my process and then making a video about it. For example, travel vlog: you go somewhere, you document your journey, edit it, upload it. So this is also a possible side hustle, a possible career if it ends up working out. Third thing that you can do as a side hustle, as a freelancing gig, as a potential career, is to learn graphic design, specialize in creating thumbnails. There is a big need for thumbnail designers right now. A lot of YouTubers are looking for designers to specifically create thumbnails for them. Before, people would just tell their editor to make a thumbnail, or they would just make a thumbnail, or just choose one of those automatic thumbnails on their videos. But since last year, there has been a trend of people hiring designers especially to create thumbnail designer community is something that is growing, and I bet it will grow by a lot this year. What you need to do is learn design, create a portfolio for yourself, and then you need to reach out to creators and offer your services. One website I would suggest you look at is YT Jobs or YouTube Jobs. They have specific thumbnail designer jobs as well as scriptwriter jobs. So you can go there, create a profile, and start applying for jobs. And for a single thumbnail, you can charge anywhere from $5 to $50 to $500, even more, per thumbnail that you create, because thumbnails are very, very, very important for YouTube videos. If you're able to offer good thumbnails, people will be willing to pay whatever price you're asking for, because to them, the views they will get from having a good thumbnail is worth a lot more than what they're paying you for the thumbnail. Then you come to the fourth thing that is kind of related, that is video editing. There is a huge demand for good video editors right now. Let me clarify: good video editors. There are a lot of editors who learn the most basic stuff and then start harassing YouTubers and other creators saying, I will edit videos for you, I'll do this for you, do that for you. What people are looking for are good video editors. So learn to edit videos, get good at it, practice. You can start your own YouTube channel. This can be a multi-purpose thing. Start a channel, and as you are making your videos, learn to edit, get good at it, and then apply for editing jobs. There is a huge demand for video editors right now, because a lot of people are trying to be YouTube creators. A lot of businesses are trying to be YouTube creators. So with the rise in creators on YouTube, there is a rise in demand for editors. Then the fifth and final thing that you can do, that is the most realistic, but it is also something that requires a lot of effort, a lot of time being put into it, is game design, that is specifically learning a game engine like Unity or Unreal and getting good at it. There are a lot of avenues you can go into. There is a huge rise in the AR VR industry right now. So if you're interested in it, you can go into that after learning these engines, or you can become an indie developer. Learn these engines and make games in your free time. I would personally suggest that you focus on learning how to make mobile games. It is a lot more competitive than PC gaming, but there is a lot more demand as well. A lot more people are playing mobile games as well. So if you learn a game engine, you get good at making games, and you make good games, you sell those good games, you can make a very successful side hustle, a very successful career, even a very successful passive income stream. Because once you make a game and you upload it, as long as you're fixing the bugs now and then, the game will keep making you money. There is a huge rise in creators on all platforms. So if you can think of any services or products you can provide to those creators, that is something that could work this year. So those are the 5 realistic side hustles that you can follow and pursue in 2024. And if you want to earn up to 6 lakhs using Snapchat, you can check out this video. And yeah, please subscribe so I can release this video. I have the thumbnail already made, and hopefully I'll get to use it. So that is it for now. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.